It is finally time to build some cabinets for my shop. First set of cabinets we're gonna build is for my miter saw and to get some of my other items reorganized on this side of the shop so I can better utilize the other side. Well, it's time to put the first cabinet together. So let's see how it goes. First one down. Well, we're gonna throw another cabinet together. So we've assembled 3 of these. The one that is on the far right of my miter saw station is going to go over the top of a refrigerator. But we're just going to put a blank board on the end, which will make it look decorative and allow the countertop to continue over the top of the refrigerator. be a cabinet door on this one, and the refrigerator should slide right back into here. All right, we are ready to put the cabinet doors together. Rails and stiles are complete. We did a test fit, dry fit everything together. The panels are ready to roll. Less is more in this case. You don't want glue to squeeze out get on surfaces that you're going to end up putting finish on. It changes how wood receives finish. Beautiful. Doesn't take a lot of pressure on these. They fit pretty well. They're nice and snug. Well, we've moved on to the other box, which will have drawers in it, 3 drawers. I've already cut those drawer faces out of scrap I had left over from making the boxes. I prefer to install the slides for the drawers and then take a direct measurement of the actual gap before I build the drawer box. So we've gone ahead and set them in here, got this clamped up. This one and the one over there are the exact same height. So we'll go ahead and screw these in. All right, we're gonna put the drawer boxes together, at least these first 6. There we go. So I'm gonna do that for the next 5 cabinet drawers. These are square or flat and true. Slide them in there, put the drawer slides on, and attach the faceplate, and we're all done. So there is our first drawer. Just bash flush, which is what we want. So our drawer face sits on there. Looks really good. Really happy with that. We're gonna throw the faces on the drawers. For the first one, for alignment, I literally just hold it up here till it's just flush with the bottom. Throw a couple of clamps on here to hold it in place. Double check. We got our same reveal all the way across the bottom, and we're equal on the sides. So we will just screw in the screws in the back. And now, as long as my bottom drawer is level and correct, which it is, we just line up this one. We've got our gap because we have our spacers in there. Throw our clamps on here, and we screw everything in from the inside. Now that I have that clamp, I'm gonna pull these out. I can actually see what the heck I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that third drawer in there, get this thing out of the way, and we're gonna pull the other cabinet up here and go ahead and install the doors on that one. Craig makes a jig to install these type of hinges on doors like this. So I pre-staged a couple of screws in my drill. We're basically just gonna set this in here. And we've got it lined up just so that it will have a nice gap. Just hold it in place, throw a screw on our drill. You want to get a couple screws in before you let go, just to make sure you don't have any alignment issues. So we've got all 4 screws in. There we go. Cabinet doors installed. Man, these things weigh a few pounds. Holy moly. Not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the drawers back in here and throw the piece of melamine on top and see what it looks like. Very happy with that at the moment. All right, well, this is gonna wrap up the cabinets for the miter saw station. There's a lot of detail work. For example, I'm gonna put the track in the top of both sides of the counter that will allow me to put a stop block on for repeatable, consistent cuts. We're gonna do a little bit of a backsplash, some rounded over bull nose, the poles for the drawers and the cabinets, and just kind of spruce everything up a little bit. But all that's going to happen when I do the rest of all the detail work for all the other cabinets we're gonna be building. So this video is gonna wrap up with just the basics for the cabinet boxes and melamine countertop install so that we can go ahead and start using this to build the rest of the cabinets. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. It's already made me organize the shop a little bit more and it's giving me more storage space, so very, very happy with that. I hope you enjoyed, hope you got a lot out of this one. Until next time, thanks for watching.